miluongo ni Namsare. Wadhiane motende kod weche mag jiwarita. Riwruok mar dongruok joma mine miluongo ni maendeleo ya wanawake okwayo mondo nywak mine e Kedo kod Njore mar kuo jamni sama pedha medo ridore e gwenge mag nyandwat mar Hoho mar Okak. Kagiloso e romo manokelo kanyakla mine mawuok e counties go, jakom maendeleo ya wanawake Rahab Mwikali owacho ni mine osesandore ahinya e gwenge makono. Omedo ni mine magin min ute kata min jonjore inyalo ti godo e hoyogi mondo mi giwere gi timbego.
The county government,
and that's why we are here to represent them and say to thank my dad because he said,
allow me to say one.
The government, the president has taken all the trucks and we have seen the support and we agree. But we are also saying the mothers are the mothers of these children. They are the wives of the people who go to do this work. So we need an effort where we have to accept one another. The Pokots must accept the Turkanas. The Turkanas must accept the Elgeyo. So that, because if I'm born a Pokot, I have no way of becoming a Turkana. That is who I am. If I am born a Turkana, I have no way of becoming a Pokot. That is who I am. So that we stop picking these things of ni Wapokoti wanafanya, ni Waturkana wanafanya. It is enough.
Wamama wenzetu wote kwa kutoka hizi counties tuweze kucha pamoja, kwa sababu tunajua ya kwamba vita inapokuja ama inapofanyika, wamama ndio waadhiriwa na watoto.
Unapoongea na watoto wako uongee kwamba ni vibaya and it is very wrong to steal. So I want to believe women can help us eradicate even the issue of banditry and cattle rustling.
Hii vita hatuwezi maliza kwa bunduki, tutamaliza kwa mindset. Na nyinyi tutaanza na sisi wakina mama. Wakina mama vile mwenzangu amenena mbeleni, can we talk to our children? Tuongee na wazee.
Jatend Migago